Oh, ginugulo ni Mama Yam yung hairstyle mo.
High five, high five, high five! Pagkain.
Kurang.
Ayan na, pancake. Pancake yan, ha?
Nasunog pancake. Are you okay, ate?
No.
Ha?
Kanta ka nga.
Oh, you're reading Rainbow. Ano pa yung kantang yan?
Ano ba yun?
Roses. I know. Oh, yung ano na lang. Paper Roses.
I can do anything.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Oh, sabi na nga.
Tomorrow.
Sabi na nga ba?
No.
ABC, ABC. Twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Yay!
Open,
Shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Owie! Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap.
Rip and crawl.
And grip and roll and
Right down to your chin, chin, chin. Open that little mouth.
but do not let them in.
Yay!
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Nak, dami naman yun, di mo naman makakain yan.